Based on general trends and popular items, here are some travel products that have been popular among travelers. Travel backpacks. Durable and versatile backpacks designed specifically for travel, with features like multiple compartments, padded laptop sleeves, and built-in USB charging ports. Packing cubes. These compact organizers help maximize suitcase space and keep your belongings neatly organized during your trip. Travel pillows. Ergonomic neck pillows that provide comfort and support during long flights or road trips, helping you rest and sleep better. Noise-canceling headphones. High-quality headphones that block out ambient noise, providing a more enjoyable and peaceful travel experience, especially on airplanes or in crowded areas. Portable chargers. Compact power banks that allow you to charge your devices on the go, ensuring you never run out of battery during your travels. Travel adapters. Universal power adapters with multiple plug options to ensure compatibility with different electrical outlets worldwide. RFID blocking wallets or passport holders. These products help protect your sensitive information from electronic theft by blocking RFID signals and keeping your cards and passports secure. Travel-sized toiletries. Miniature versions of toiletries, including shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, and other essentials, complying with airline carry-on restrictions. Portable luggage scales. Compact devices that help you weigh your luggage to avoid overweight fees at the airport. Travel insurance. Although not a physical product, travel insurance has become increasingly popular to protect against unexpected events, cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Please note that popularity and best-selling items can vary over time, so it's always a good idea to research and read reviews before making a purchase.
Get strong.